Page 312. Now we had a lesson on harmonizing and composing in Dorian mode. Remember Dorian mode? It's built on the second step of a major scale, or it's the same as a minor scale, and you take the sixth step up a half step. So D Dorian is all white keys, because it's the second step of C major, all white keys, or it's the same as D minor with the sixth step taken up. Either way, I want you to harmonize on it, but they're giving you the chords. Just play the chords. The melody, we're at 6/8 time. Over here, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. That's the melody. Harmony-wise, well, let's just do the chords. With D minor, G major with a D on the bottom, that's here. So we went from here to here, D minor. Again, it's a G major chord with D on the bottom, that's here. G major with D on the bottom, D minor. Major 5, you get an F major with C on the bottom, so it's here. So I went from D minor to C. And then G with B on the bottom, a G with B on the bottom. Let's go here. That's here. And the D minor, the E minor, which is here with B on the bottom, and the A minor 7. Remember, A minor 7, it's an A minor chord with a minor 7th added, because an A, the 7th step is a G sharp, but we do that. All white keys. And then D minor. And on the A minor 7, I don't know if you need all 4 keys or not. You might be able to leave out one of these. If the melody's playing one up, you can leave it out. A bow, I don't know. Play them all, I don't know. And it's telling you root position unless it has the slash letter. That tells you it's an inversion. So we play this with the melody just so I can hear the harmony in the melody. It's here. E minor with B on the bottom. So E minor is that with B on the bottom. Now, well, because this using that, so maybe I can do that. The right hand covers the E, so I could maybe leave that out in the left hand. I could play them all then. Carrie, it's your improvisation. You figure it out. Whatever you want to do, kid. Okay. Then they have the suggestion pattern. Broken chord. On the A minor chord, you only get 3 beats. There's 4 notes, so make sure you play the top and bottom and one of the others. I don't care. But make sure you include the top and bottom note in the A7 chord. Those are the most important notes. You need to have those. Or it's not necessarily an A7 chord, it's something else. Now at the bottom of the page, they want you to make up a melody. D Dorian. Go ahead and start on D and end on D, and you're using only the white keys. You make up whatever melody you want, I guess, but you might want to consider the broken chords in the right hand for the accompaniment, and try and stick with notes that kind of go along with those chords. It's up to you. No right or wrong, as long as it sounds good, it's good enough. The first 4 measures are introduction. You don't start coming into measure 5 and they give you a suggested rhythm, but that's up to you. Just make up whatever rhythm you want. And the suggested speed is 72, which is what metronome is on.